Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here, welcome. And so today's video is an open collab, and it's called Journal Jubilee, and it's open so anybody can join, so feel free to join in with your scrapbook, your junk journal. I call mine a joy journal, whatever you want to call it. Join in. We'd love to have you. It is hosted by Perry Piccolo's Vlogs, Jamie Leisman, and myself. My channel is Pretty Designs and Thrifty Finds. So let's go ahead and get started. So if you have seen my previous videos, you will know that this book, this particular one, because I started with like 3 different books, but I'm going to finish up my March book. This particular book is loaded with stuff because I have a very busy month of March. I have 4 birthdays in the month of March and an anniversary, my mother and father's anniversary, then my brother's birthday, my grandson's birthday, my granddaughter's birthday, and my mother's birthday. There are other birthdays in my family, but these are the ones I'm focusing on. I have a huge family, okay? And so anyway, let me go ahead and I'll show you what I did. Hold on one second here. So I'll just kind of go over the front briefly and let you know that this is kind of a conglomeration of different things of all the people that the month represents, plus I'm throwing in spring, so there's a butterfly there. And if you've watched my other ones previously, you saw me explain all this stuff, but I'll just go over it very briefly. That represents the birthdays. That represents St. Patrick's Day. Elvis, my brother, is a big Elvis fan. The butterfly is for spring. My mother and father got married in the 50s. That kind of reminds me of very 50s. Vintage for my mother and father. Balloons for the birthdays. Sonic the Hedgehog in the movie. Popcorn for my grandson. And then my mother's birthday. And then the cake for just in general the birthdays, okay? So some things I did add. So this page has not changed. And this page has not changed. I want to say that the next page, yeah, okay. So I'm leaving a few little spaces in here so that I can add little things here and there, because this book will be done by the end of the month. And then I'll kind of like do the edges up and make it all kind of pull together, because it's a little scrappy at the edges right now, even though it is kind of a scrapbook, right? So what I did was I had a leprechaun on this page and I took it off because it was kind of bulking up the book. So this page kind of reminds me of, even though Elvis is in there, he's from the 50s. My mother was a teenager in the 50s, so I did some fashion dolls from the 50s. Is I Love Lucy. Then that was a very big fashion type of look in the 50s, especially, in the movies. And then those glasses were big in the 50s with the, the pointy edges, like the cat rims. And like I said, even though my brother is in here, for Elvis, my mother also was a big Elvis fan as well, so still is. Okie doke. So that's a new page in here. And then this page hasn't really changed much. I had the green envelope there with the card with some little pull-out things. Let me see if I can get it closer so you can, in case this is your first time watching, I did make like a pocket here, and I put like a cupcake. Now I did say I was going to personalize the cupcakes. I've only personalized one so far, and this one's for my brother because it's like a happy birthday cupcake. So that is the only thing really different on this particular page. Everything else is like, here's the pocket, spring flower. Now this page has changed quite a bit because originally I only had that Graceland card there, but then I put Anne Margaret there because Elvis did a movie with Anne Margaret, and I want to say that he only did one movie, but I'm not sure. He may have done more than one movie with her. And there's Anne Margaret back in the day, right about the time that they did do the movie together. And then there she is now. I don't know if that's exactly her now. They're saying she's 81 now. that butterfly is for the spring, and that's for the, like, represents the Hollywood movies made in California, because I got those stickers at Dollar Tree. And then this was a poster, but I kind of took it apart. Like, it was a page of a poster of Jailhouse Rock, and it said, "Welcome back, Elvis," but I couldn't really fit it all on the page. But Elvis did have a motorcycle too. I think he had a 1957 Harley. I read it in the book, that book. And so this says, "Welcome back, Elvis, you're the greatest." So I kind of put that up in there so it would all tie in with that Jailhouse Rock, because it was on the same page. So I think that might have been maybe the first movie he made when he came back out of the army. I'm not definite, because I'm trying to figure out why I would say "Welcome back, Elvis" on that movie thing. So anyway, let's go ahead and we'll turn the page. Now, this page is going to be a little bit all over the place, because I got one of those little, they got this at the Dollar Tree. It's like a little container. And then I took some LOL stickers, because my granddaughter, whose birthday is coming up this week, she really loves LOL dolls. And I haven't personalized her cupcake yet, but I do have in here, I made like a little pocket, and it's like LOL dolls, paper dolls, and inside of here, and I just kind of glued it. So I'm going to have, let me try to get those out. Hold on. Okay, so inside that pocket are little things that you can add to this. Like they have paper doll clothes. I got this paper doll set at the Dollar Tree. And then, even though I don't know if she's going to play with the paper dolls, I think this will be fun for her to look at and open. And I'll show it to my brother, obviously, and my mother will be watching it. But here is all the little clothes. Well, that's like a cactus. Here's some clothes. And that's like a little doll that they play with. There's a bow that can go on her head. You know, things like that. A pair of shoes. Okay. So it's just a cute little bunch of paper doll clothes. And I'm going to have to make that pocket a little bit less deep, I think, so you can grab the clothes better. I'll figure out a way to make it less deep. I think I'm going to have to hot glue it on there too, because it's real sturdy. And I think that I'm running out of like the glue stick, but I don't think the glue stick is really going to hold that. I'm probably going to have to use hot glue. Alright, let me put that stuff back in before I show you this page. Oh, and I put the paper dolls behind the lace, so that's kind of like a doubled up pocket thing. And I feel like I need to add some more Sonic and Star Wars too, because even though my grandson loves Sonic, he also is big into Star Wars too. So I'm going to have to find some Star Wars stuff and add to that too. So I love collecting dolls. I don't have any of these. These are so old. They would be worth a fortune if I had that. But anyway, I got that because Portrait of a Special Girl, and that represents to me my granddaughter, that her birthday's this month, because she has the dark hair like that and that dark-eyed look. So I thought that was so pretty, so I put that in there. And then let's go ahead and turn the page. And this just kind of represents all the birthdays in here right now. And then there's like a little pocket with another, there's 4 birthday cupcakes in here. There should be anyway. And then I added something like a doily lace, and I added the butterflies. And this really hasn't changed. I still got to work on that page. And then we're getting toward the back part of the book now, where I took some like wax paper, that checker paper that I got at the Dollar Tree, and that says happy birthday on it. Again, that's going to represent everybody. And plus I love dolls. And then the very last page just has the checks on it, because I'm working on that. And that's pretty much it, guys. So I hope that you join in, and if you do, use the hashtag Journal Jubilee, and I will see you in the next video. Bye now.